On a clear night, you might notice a bright, steady point of light in the sky. That's Jupiter, and while it looks calm and distant, it's quietly playing a huge role in protecting our planet. Most of us never think about Jupiter in our daily lives. It doesn't affect our weather, our routines, or anything we directly experience on Earth. But here's the fascinating question: why is Jupiter actually important for Earth? How can a planet so far away influence whether life here survives at all? The answer starts with Jupiter's sheer size. It's the largest planet in the solar system, with more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. Because of this, Jupiter has an incredibly strong gravitational pull. It doesn't just orbit the Sun, it influences everything around it. As asteroids and comets travel through space, Jupiter's gravity acts like a powerful force field. It can pull these objects toward itself, trap them, or sling them far away from the inner solar system. This process happens constantly. Many space rocks that might have been on a collision path with Earth are quietly redirected long before they get anywhere near us. And we've actually seen this protection in action. In 1994, the Shoemaker Levy 9 impact crashed straight into Jupiter instead of heading toward the inner planets. The impact left massive scars on Jupiter's surface, clearly showing how it can absorb dangerous objects that might otherwise threaten Earth. But Jupiter's role doesn't stop at protection. Its gravity also helps stabilize the entire solar system by influencing the orbits of planets and smaller objects. This stability keeps Earth's orbit predictable. Without it, our planet's path could shift over time, leading to extreme climate changes or even making life impossible. So, even though Jupiter is far away, it's constantly shaping the environment that allows Earth to remain safe and stable. The incredible insight is this: Earth's survival isn't just about Earth itself. It depends on a delicate balance of forces across the entire solar system. And Jupiter is one of the biggest players in maintaining that balance. In the end, Jupiter isn't just a giant planet in the sky. It's a silent guardian, helping make Earth a place where life can exist. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.